How to switch between miles and kilometers on Google Maps. So hey guys, if you want to change the distance units in Google Maps, then this video is for you. So as here you can see that I have a certain destination ready in my Google Maps, and the distance you can see is currently in kilometers. So let me show you how you can convert it to miles or vice versa. So the first thing you need to do is exit any navigation which you are currently on, and then in the Google Maps homepage you need to click onto the profile at the top right corner. Once you will do this, you need to click onto the settings option, and then under the settings you need to scroll down and you will see this option of distance units. So simply click on the distance units and it will give you three options. The first one is the automatic, which will determine whether to use miles or kilometers based on your location. So for example, if you are in the United States, it will automatically select it to miles. And then the next option is kilometers, and the third option is miles. So let me click miles, and now once I have selected miles, let me go back and see if the changes have been done or not. And here you can see that now the distance is being shown in miles instead of kilometers. So that's how easily you can switch between miles and kilometers in your Google Maps. So if this video was any helpful to you, do make sure to drop a like. Do tell us in the comment how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.